You see them, two faces perfectly alike, a genetic replication so precise it makes you wonder if they share a single consciousness. We naturally expect identical genes to produce identical people, but spend mere moments with twins and you'll find personalities as distinct as night and day. Why does our identity diverge so dramatically, even from the same biological blueprint? While monozygotic twins share virtually 100% of their DNA at conception, the illusion of identicalness begins to fade almost immediately. Even within the seemingly uniform environment of the womb, subtle yet significant differences emerge. Twins can experience varied nutrient access, differing blood supply, or even unique physical positions, leading to distinct developmental trajectories from day one. Furthermore, the fascinating field of epigenetics reveals how gene expression can diverge between twins. Although their underlying DNA sequence remains the same, environmental factors, both pre- and postnatal, can switch genes on or off, altering how genetic information is translated into observable traits. These earliest, often invisible variances lay the groundwork for their distinct individual paths, proving that true identicalness is an early, fleeting concept. Beyond their genetic blueprint, a myriad of unique life experiences powerfully shapes each twin. From early childhood, niche picking sees them naturally gravitate towards different interests, friends, hobbies, and social roles. One twin might be drawn to sports, the other to art, one a leader, the other a thinker. These choices cultivate distinct identities. Moreover, subtle differential treatment frequently occurs, often unconsciously. Parents, teachers, or peers might praise one for academics and the other for creativity, or interact with them uniquely. These small variations in external perception and treatment profoundly influence each twin's self-perception. Lastly, random life events and microenvironments play a crucial role. Different teachers, a unique childhood illness, or separate summer camp experiences build distinct personal narratives. These accumulating, seemingly minor yet unique encounters weave together, forming separate worldviews and contributing significantly to their individual personality development, transcending their shared DNA. A profound psychological imperative drives identical twins to forge distinct identities, an active quest for self-differentiation. The inherent human need for unique identity is amplified for twins facing constant comparison, pushing them to establish a distinct self, not merely the twins. This manifests in conscious or unconscious efforts to avoid direct comparison and competition. They often gravitate towards different paths, hobbies, academics, friends, cultivating distinct traits, reducing pressure, and allowing individual expression. Crucially, external perception reinforces this. When parents, teachers, and peers acknowledge their individuality, not treating them as interchangeable, it strengthens their separate identities, solidifying their unique place. Even at a neurobiological level, identical twins aren't quite identical. Despite sharing the same genetic blueprint, the intricate wiring and structural development of each twin's brain can exhibit subtle yet profoundly significant differences. These aren't just minor quirks. Variations in neurotransmitter levels and their activity, the brain's chemical messengers, can lead to distinct temperaments, emotional regulation patterns, and cognitive styles from a very young age. Furthermore, in fascinating cases of mirror image twins, where one is right-handed and the other left-handed, this reflects fundamental differences in brain organization and lateralization. Such neurobiological peculiarities contribute significantly to their divergent personalities, proving that even our most fundamental biological hardware can diverge in subtle yet powerful ways. Ultimately, personality is a magnificent, ever-evolving tapestry woven throughout life by the continuous dance of nature and nurture. We see this vividly in how Big Five traits, openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, aren't solely hardwired. Instead, they beautifully emerge from a complex blend of genetic predispositions interacting with unique environmental inputs that each twin experiences. A crucial element here is gene environment interaction. A twin might possess a genetic tendency for a certain trait, but whether it fully expresses itself or remains subdued often depends on their individual life paths and choices. This dynamic means personality isn't a fixed blueprint from birth, it's an evolving landscape. Each distinct interaction, every unique choice, and all those accumulated experiences, from childhood friendships to adult careers, continue to mold and refine who each twin becomes, long after they've shared the same genetic starting line. Identical twins reveal personality transcends genetics, woven by unique experiences, epigenetics, and self-differentiation. In your opinion, how do these insights impact our understanding of self and identity? Share your thoughts in the comments.